If you're a rebel with a cause, then you're in the right place. Let's talk about why breaking the rules is more than just rebellion. Throughout history, the greatest changes have come from those brave enough to challenge the status quo. Think about it. From civil rights to technological innovations, it all started with a simple question: why not? Breaking the rules isn't about chaos or anarchy. It's about questioning what's accepted and envisioning what could be. It's about seeing a wall and imagining a door. Every time someone dared to deviate from the norm, they paved the way for progress. Rosa Parks didn't just refuse a bus seat, she helped ignite a movement. Steve Jobs didn't just create gadgets, he revolutionized how we connect and create. Questioning norms can be daunting. But remember, the road less traveled often leads to the most extraordinary destinations. By challenging what is, we make way for what could be. So, the next time you feel that itch to break away, to ask why or why not, embrace it. You're not just a rule breaker, you're a world changer. Stay curious, stay bold, and keep challenging the status quo. Because the future, it belongs to the rule breakers.